Drowning in a spreadsheet or lost in a maze of complex Excel data, databases, or SQL queries. What if talking to your data was as easy as chatting with your colleague? Introducing a benchmarking bot, Echo, your AI powered assistant for competitive business analysis. Upload your Excel or, or connect your or connect directly to your SQL databases. Benchmarking EcoBot instantly understand your unique business languages, contexts, matrices, and all. Just type your question in a plain English and get an instant answer, complete with your insights, charts, summaries, tables, images, and more. On the right hand side, user can select data sources of his choice. On the left hand side, all the history of last conversation would be saved. On the top, user will get a quick review of data information of that selected data source. So let's start with the conversation with chatbot. Just a plain English or a question. So I need so I will ask what product do we have for benchmarking or competitive benchmarking. Okay, we have ACC and comp, these two products. So I will ask, give me cost of both products in a table. I will ask, what are the segments of both parts? Or maybe I can say assemblies. So we have display circuits, LV power supplies, RFI filters, compressor controls, all of these things for ACC and for competitors. Right now I'm in electronics. I will go to the engineering now. I will say create a plot to show total design, total cost of products. So I have this. If I will say plot a chart with so yeah. So on hover of these charts, I will get more information about the chart that it has generated, and it has generated an accurate data chart for a quick summary. I can download this chart. I can zoom in. I can zoom out, zoom in. I can auto scale this chart and other stuff I can do with it. I can say give me cost saving. I'll say cost saving ideas for both products in terms of material cost. So it should generate a cost optimize optimized idea for us. So yes, we have some switch to alternative paths, optimized material choices, evaluate wiring systems, glass shelves alternatives, lower hinge cost reductions. Likewise, the ideas had been generated. So this chatbot just not answers, but it also gives you an analysis of its own understanding and what we can do with it. now I can say, if I want to see or generate some design related ideas, so I will say give me image of front packaging. So I will get two images of front packaging for both of the products. Likewise, so I just can compare those directly, and I will have a quick design idea generated. Like I have used this, and they have used some different type of APS. Likewise, it has also filter, a spatial filter or a search capability to understand or search. The simple question would be, do competitor provide the installation tools also? If I just want to understand or just to know what type of part they didn't used, right? So I will get those results as well. So I've asked, do competitor provide installation tools? And it said it does not indicate that they have provided a installation tool, right? So just going and checking everything into the Excel, that would be so time taking, and you just have to write simple plain questions that come up to your mind, and you will have an answer for in within seconds. So that is a really good feature of this chatbot as well. I can ask another questions. If I if my data have some different uh, units I have used for my data. So suppose my data of weight is in gram, and I want to convert it into the kgs, and it will do it, and it will do the other conversions as well. So here we have weights for each segments in kgs. So we can come so the chatbot can create summaries, generate ideas, find alternative materials. um, it can find some inefficiencies in your product, that where you can save your cost and build a good product out of it. It can suggest you some features and those designing ideas and all. So this is it for the chatbot. If you want a quick visualization of your data that we have connected to the chatbot, right? So we have a scene dashboard here, where you can just select any type of a chart from this list. You have to select your source, you have to select how you want to see the data, and if you want a filtered data, you can select on the advanced filters and apply all of those things, and just a quick visual summary or a visual storytelling will happen in front of you. So I will select a bar chart or maybe a complexity chart. I'll say the product, the segment, and the assembly. I want to see which segment is related to which assembly. So I have clicked on generate, and I have these two products, have these segments, and how many count of parts are you know we are using in which assemblies. So it will give you a good data flow out of it. It could be a um, more complex as well. So yes, I will move to the next one. I can say a Pareto chart. I will say I want to see a product, not a product but a segment, and a quantity, the quantity of a part. And it has generated a Pareto chart. Of course, we can download it, we can zoom it, we can do analysis on this, and it will give you a quick summary of data, like what would be my pain point, or what segment I have to focus on. So that can be done here. If I want to do a scatter chart, that would be for a numeric, right? So quantity versus cost, and I will group it by product, and I size, I would say, by cost. Give me a visualization, and it will create a scatter chart for me. I will try to zoom in so that I could get a better visualization. I zoomed it. I want to see this little data over here like this. I will have all of at one place. I will say not quantity, but maybe the thickness. And I will have such a kind of data available. On hover of it, I will get all of the basic details. So this is it.